Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm actually feeling better today. I have been down bad for quite some time. Your girl is officially feeling better, so let's go ahead and get out in this traffic. I'm super excited. In today's video, we are going to do close garage. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to do a Dollar Tree haul. Okay, I'm super excited. I have been wanting to do a Dollar Tree haul for a while. If y'all don't know, I really enjoy doing haul videos. I think it's really cool to see like what you can purchase from these different stores, like stuff that you don't even think about purchasing. They be really at these stores, like, and it be some good stuff. And the Dollar Tree done came up, because I remember the Dollar Tree when I was a little girl. And the Dollar Tree now, they have groceries, they have everything. Like literally, I've seen some stuff at Dollar Tree that I've seen at Walmart. Like, I kid you not. So we're gonna go ahead and go to my local Dollar Tree, the one that's closest. What's up guys, I'm back. We are here at the Dollar Tree. I got the perfect park. I'm like right in the front. So let's go ahead and go shopping in Dollar Tree and see what we can get. All right, stay tuned. I'm super excited. My bag, Dollar Tree. Okay. Your girl, when it's splurged out in the Dollar Tree, honey, we spent. Focus. No focus. Okay, so we spent $29.04. I'm trying to eat. See y'all when we get home. Wait, this thing is on? Oh crap. So hey guys, and I am back. I have officially gotten home, and so let's go ahead and show you guys what I got from Dollar Tree. Anyway, so the first thing we're gonna go ahead and get into is just some miscellaneous items that I needed and I didn't know Dollar Tree sold. So the first things first is gonna be this Mr. Plumber. I know y'all probably wasn't expecting to see this, right? Y'all, excuse my nail. Like, I got it stuck in the car door and it popped off. And it's been popped off for about a week now. And I'm too lazy to go to the nail salon because, let me tell y'all. So I was just like, why don't I just wait another week? That way I can just go in and get a fill-in and a repair. Because I feel like if I just go in to get a repair, in the next week, I'm gonna have to go and get a fill-in. So maybe I'm doing too much. Y'all let me know. I'm sorry. Until then, y'all gonna see this broke down. Okay. So yeah, I got me some Germ-X. This is actually the Germ-X brand. Okay. Now this was a product that I was shocked that they have. It's called Hair Gunk. It's called Hair Gunk. And it says Ultimate Hold Hair Gel. So if y'all know, it says it compares to the formula Gorilla Snot. So that's what I was just about to say. Like, if y'all know, y'all use Gorilla Snot. Like, you get it from the hair store. It's pretty, it's not too expensive, but you know, you can use it. A lot of people use it to lay their edges or whatever. I want to actually try this because it's supposed to be in comparison to that. And it's just a cheaper brand. So I'm definitely gonna have to try this. Now the consistency is not as sticky as Gorilla Snot, but it seems like it has potential, you know, so we're gonna try this out. A girl loved her candles, and I thought this was so cute. It says Pure Bliss. I thought that was too cute. I love candles, so I was just like, and it smells really, really good. It's giving me like a light vanilla lavender kind of smell. It says the Rose Collection. It says fresh linen, but I'm not really getting a fresh linen smell. So we're gonna definitely try this. I got this car air freshener. My car does need an air freshener. Gotta keep the air freshener in my car. Midnight Cool. I don't know. I've never smelled this before. So let's open it and see. They had, you know, the typical black ice. If y'all know what black ice is. Every guy had black ice in their car when they trying to impress a girl. Okay? So if you didn't know, now you know, sis. I don't use John teeth like me, but I couldn't get over it. Ooh! Oh my god! Okay, dudes, no more black ice. Okay, y'all, this smells like a young man who just got a fresh haircut with some waves and a beard, and he got on a nice little slack and a button-up shirt. Ooh, I'm sorry, y'all, I'm a little weird. I like stuff like my car and stuff like that to smell like a guy. Like, it gives me that, I don't know, that security. It's really weird, okay? But I do like male smells. Now, I wouldn't like wear male cologne or anything like that, but like in my vehicle and stuff like that, and y'all, ooh, this smells good. Auto eyeliner, just a basic eyeliner in the color black. It is LA Colors. Yeah, so it just says twist and draw line from inner to outer corners of the eyelid. It says it's smudge proof and it says smooth application. I need some eyeliner because I have liquid liner, but I kind of like this better. I feel like for me, I can do a better eyeliner. Okay, so now this is a product that shocked me and surprised me that it was actually in the Dollar Tree, because I bought this from Walmart a couple of months ago, and it's the Dove Intensive Cream. Okay, like it's the same size. Like the one at Walmart might be a little bit bigger, like a little bit, it might be like here, this much bigger, but for the most part this is the same size that you can purchase at Walmart. It is the same thing. It's Nourishing Care and it's body cream. Like, it still comes with the foil on it. It says Dove. So this really shocked me that this was at the Dollar Tree. Now, the girl loves lashes and I will try a lash. Okay, so these I thought were really, really cute. They're the same one, so I don't even know why I'm showing you. But normally when you get eyelashes from like the Dollar General or the Dollar Tree, they are thin, but a trick for that to make them full and thick is you double them. So that's why I bought 2 pair, because when I wear these, I'll just double them and they'll be thick and good to go. I did get some lip gloss, moisturizing glossy finish. I have been needing to pick up some clear lip gloss just to like go over my lipsticks and stuff. So when I seen this, I was like, you know what, let me get this. It's clear, it's $1. I mean, it's gloss. Thing I got, which I was really amazed. I was like, I have to try this. It's brows on and on. So basically, you apply, you let it dry, and then you peel it off, and your eyebrows are supposed to appear thicker. Now I got this in the color dark blonde. This was actually the only one that they had. I want to know, I'm gonna probably definitely go visit another Dollar Tree to see if they have different colors, like a darker color, but I want to definitely try this. I don't think this color is going to be dark enough for my brows, but I just wanted to try it and see if it works. Okay, so that was that. The next thing I got was this LA color bronzer. I thought this was a really, really cute gold. It's a gorgeous bronze glow, as it says, and I thought it was really cool. Let me actually take this out the packet so y'all can actually, but I thought this was really, really cute. I'm definitely going to use it as a highlighter. So I thought that was like really, really cute. That is really pretty. I'm gonna swatch this. Ooh, I think that is going to be a really pretty highlight. Like, y'all, that is pretty. Okay, Dollar Tree. The next item I got was setting spray. So they sell setting spray. Now typically I don't really use setting spray because I feel like, hey, if my makeup come off during the day, which most of the time it doesn't, I really don't have a problem with my makeup moving because I don't have like oily skin or anything. But when I seen this, I was like, we'll try it. It says it extends makeup wear. So set your makeup on the go. It says perfect for travel. So I thought this was really, really cool. Like, setting spray for your makeup. The next thing I did pick up was the makeup brush cleaning mitt. I want to open this, so let's actually see, because I was confused. Like, I thought it was just like a little so I don't know how we use this. Let's see. Okay, so place fingers into mitt and apply a small amount of soap and water or brush cleaner into grooves. Gently rub brush. Okay, so you like this and you put soap and water, you put soap in here, and then you run the water on the brush and you brush it. So the next thing I got was this Pro Tools Jade Roller. Now it says it improves blood circulation, elasticity, and even tone skin. It reduces puffiness and wrinkles, reveals skin's natural radiance. It tightens, soothes, and minimizes skin's pore size. Okay, so I was like, what is this about? So you're supposed to start out with a clean face. So my face ain't clean right now, so I really can't use this. Apply a skin serum, moisturizer, or mask, and then you just roll this on your face, and it feels really, really good. So I'm excited to use this to actually see if it works. And I thought it was so cute. Look at it. It's like this olive green marble color, and it's gold, and I thought that was so freaking cute. And hey, if anything improved the skin and these bags up under my eyes, I'm down to give it a try. And for $1, it's like, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Period. Okay, so the next item that I purchased was the Yin and Yang Double Masking Kit. It's detox and hydrate. So it's on one side, it has the detoxifying and hydrating white charcoal mud mask, and then on the other side it has the detoxifying charcoal mud mask. Okay, so the black one is to detox and the white one is to hydrate. Okay, and so it's yes to tomatoes, clear skin, and it says for all skin types. They actually sell these at Walmart, so when I seen them at the Dollar Tree, I was just like, what? So I had to go ahead and pick this up. And then I also got this face mask. It's charcoal, aloe, and collagen. It is just a paper mask, and you know, just the basic mask. Looks like that. It's charcoal, and it has aloe in it. And hey, so why not try it? It's for $1. It says it's safe for all skin types. I do have very, very sensitive skin, so I will let y'all know how this works. Hopefully, it won't do anything damaging to my skin, you know. But sometimes when I get in the tub and I have my wine, I be wanting to do a mask just to like relax even more. So I'm really excited to try these masks that I purchased. Yeah, no, I was just talking about wine. So I thought this was so cute. I just purchased a wine glass. I be using my grandma fine china, and I know she don't want me using her fine china, so I went ahead and just purchased me a wine glass, and it was pretty big. Like, look at this, y'all. Like, your girl be getting litty, okay? But I thought it was really cute. It's like bluish, purplish. Like, I don't know. I just thought it was so cute. The ready to use roll-on aroma guru. This is in the tea tree oil. So this is the item that I actually went into the Dollar Tree looking for, because I wanted to show you guys this product. It is the aroma guru tea tree oil, and so it's supposed to it's no mess, no fuss. It says it's ready to use. Roll-ons are easy to use. Simply apply it to your temples, to the back of your ears, and your pulse points. Okay, so it tones and balances skin. It helps soothe irritated skin. It's supposed to help balance oily hair, and helps release tension, helps fight body odor, and it's an insect repellent. Okay, so I thought that I would get this. I actually got it in 2 different flavors. I got it in the peppermint, well, 2 different scents, flavors, like I'm gonna eat it, but 2 different scents. I got the tea tree oil, and then I got it in the peppermint. And now the peppermint is supposed to be a natural vapor rub. It's supposed to help heal itchy skin. It soothes tired feet. It awakens your mood, helps ease headaches, and helps increase focus. Last but not least, I am a brace face, and they had these placards. Okay, now if you have braces, or if you know somebody who had braces, they will really appreciate you purchasing this item for them. Like, this is the best. Okay, it's in mint blast, and it's only, even though it's only 4 in here, you know, this is a really good buy from a Dollar Tree. Like, it's $4, like, basically. I mean, you can get a whole pack of them at Walmart for like $3, I think. But for $4, you can't beat it. And I mean, hey, on the go, I'm gonna leave these in my car, literally, so I don't be tagging along a big bag of these. But they work so perfect for braces. Like, you get stuff stuck in your brackets, you just go up in there and get it out, okay? And I'm always eating, so this is a really, really good buy. But that was all I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys really, really enjoyed this video. I'm super excited to do more videos featuring Dollar Tree stuff, because like I said, the Dollar Tree really has a lot of products that I would have never even like knew they had, or even thought to go to Dollar Tree to pick up these items. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys, like I said, enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. And you know what I always say, whether you're here by mistake or on purpose, I appreciate you for stopping by, hanging out with your girl. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.